Introducing the TREP04L from Tera pump. The TREP04L is the world's first rechargeable battery-powered and portable transfer pump. It is powered by a rechargeable 2900 mAh lithium-ion Samsung battery. You can charge this pump via micro USB cable. It has a flow rate of 2.86 gallons per minute, dispensing up to 80 gallons on a full charge. The TREP04L has an extra long hose of 10 feet and a flow control nozzle with locking action for hands-free pumping, and a telescopic intake from 15 to 20 inches. The TREP04L has a duty cycle of 15 minutes. Allow for 15 minutes of continuous pumping, followed by a 30-minute cooling period. You can find this pump by searching TREP04L on Amazon.com.